Hello everyone, welcome back to Angular 8 video tutorial series by TechTechTuts. This is lecture number 26 and today in this lecture we are going to learn about form builders inside reactive forms of Angular 8. So without a further ado, let's get into the tutorial. As in the previous two video lectures, we have learned already how to use form group, form controls, and as well as we see form arrays, that how can we use them and how can we replace form groups with form arrays to add dynamic controls at a runtime. So today in this video tutorial, we will replace all those controls into form builder. So what is a form builder? So basically form builder in Angular 8 is a service which automatically uses those controls, form groups and form arrays to achieve the same goal which we have achieved previously in two video tutorials. So let's see form builder in action. Inside your VS Code, simply you need to first inject the service of form builder, which I have already imported inside our home.component.ts file. After that, inside your constructor, simply initialize and inject this form builder as any variable. So I will use it as FB. FB stands for form builder, and then colon, and then I will assign it type form builder. So this is how we have successfully injected our form builder service inside our constructor. After that, I will simply copy this data, copy it, and then comment it out, and I will initialize user form as abstract control. So this is much needed by adding abstract control. This abstract control will also be imported from the form Angular forms automatically when you initialize it here. Why it is necessary, I will let you know later. So just keep moving with me. So here inside constructor, after initializing this, I will go to ng on init. Inside ng on init, I will paste this data and I will say this is equal to this user form equal to. Now every form group inside our form, sorry, not this form group, it is commented out. So I will only replace these three form groups into this.fb.group, simple. And then this form control, a new form control, I will replace it this FB control, and we will pass empty string here. After that, this one also will be replaced. So command D, I don't need to select them. So simply I will select this, and actually these two are not empty, so that's why it's not selecting it. So I will say this.fb.control, simple. After that, I will change this one as well, this.fb.control. If you notice, I'm not using a new keyword anymore. So this will not be bombarded with the new objects inside the memory, and the memory leakage will also be covered if you are using this form builder. So it is preferable that you should use form builder rather than using form group, form control, etc., separately. So this is the best approach. That's why I explained it at the end, so that you will understand the previous controls as well before using this. So this form array, this fb.array, I will convert it to the FB array. So this is done. Next, I'm injecting it. Here I am injecting it, so I will change it to this.fb.control as well. Rest, I have to use this form array here, so I don't need these form group and form controls anymore, because form builder will do everything for me. Yes, form array I do need, because I am injecting this form array using this constructor or getter with get qualification. After that, save it. And interesting thing, you don't need to make any changes inside your form template. So inside home.component.html, you don't need to make any changes. As you can see, I didn't make any changes, and my form is working as it was working previously. I can add and remove the controls easily. Okay guys, this is it. This was the video lecture for today, and I hope you have learned how to use form builder inside Angular 8 by using reactive forms module. In the next video tutorial, we will talk about validators, where we will learn that how to use the built-in validators which are provided within Angular as well as provided inside HTML5. Apart from that, we will also learn how to create custom validators in Angular 8 so that we can achieve more functionality with the help of validators. So I hope you have already liked this video tutorial, and if you did, then don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel as well. So I will be uploading Angular 8 and Flutter video tutorials in this channel oftenly. Maybe not daily, but of course 2 or 3 times in a week. So with that being said, I'm your host on TechTechTuts signing off. Thank you very much. Take care and goodbye.